Hey everybody, Molly here for my channel Molly Fits Brown. Okay, we are getting here, Kilimanjaro Safari. It says 25 minutes, so that's not too bad. I hope it's accurate or maybe even less. We are going in row 4. It has only been 11 minutes. We are so excited to be ready to get on. You guys ready?
Yeah. At all times, please also remember to remain seated even if you can't see the animals. The first land we are
Spotting guide
for
all the animals we look for.
called an okapi. And on our left-hand side, these are bongos.
On the right.
The bongos are these ghosts of the forest, since they're so rarely seen by humans.
Yay,
They generally
we saw
don't like
one.
us. To our right, one a little bit higher up on that hill.
Another one.
About the water as well. There's a couple like nestled up against that wall, but they're a little hard to see. They're kind of blending in with that mud.
Oh my God, look at
There's also our tallest residence over there, the Maasai giraffe.
The giraffes.
So let's go ahead and dive on in. When their babies are about 6 feet tall. Those adults can get up to 20, and they do spend most of their day roaming around and eating. Hanging out on our far left is the mascot of our reserve, the sable antelope. They are fighters just like us because they turn around and use those long horns on their heads to defend themselves. To our left is the resident party animal, the Hartman's mountain zebra. Sometimes in the mornings they race across the savannah crying out as they run together in a little pack. They also have a little flap under their skin you might be able to see. That is called a dewlap, and it's actually unique to the Hartman's mountain zebra. No other zebra type has it. Helps aid in circulation. And to our left, that beautiful Maasai giraffe. There are Maasai's and Hartman's mountain zebras all around, so drink in the beauty.
Cheese. Enough. Alright, got it. Now you can look.
That speckled coloration that you see on their bodies for the giraffes is actually how you can tell they're Maasai's. And this one to our right side. On its right shoulder, you can see those deep calves that go in the shapes. That's how you can tell it's a Maasai. Which would make sense if you were traveling with 1.5 million of your closest family members for about 1,000 miles. Also to our right side, these are the smallest antelopes on the reserve. On the right, we're passing by. There is an elephant migration happening. And that is how they try to impress
And there's
the
a
ladies.
hidden Mickey if you don't know about it.
On
In the
left,
middle
some
where
more
the flamingos
elephants.
are. Elephants.
Just doing their thing. Some white rhinos. That might even be a baby too, the one that's a little bit further back. We're just starting to enter their teenage years. Oh yeah, and there's some water bucks hanging out right next to them. Water bucks are funny. They get their name from their ability to drink about half their weight in water every day. Oh, there she is, on the left-hand side. We'll take this corner slowly.
You see it sleeping?
Maybe. Looks like one of the parents over here by these bushes, just kind of supervising. There are a little mischievous. There may or may not be one in the back of the warden's car. You can see why he took out his windows.